Welcome to week 7. This is our second to last week of the quarter already. Can you believe it? So, for this week, we'll continue moving forward on the researched argument. Monday night, you're going to revise body paragraph 2 and submit that. You'll respond to your peers and your own body paragraph 3, and you'll do that here. You will also prepare the full draft of your researched argument and submit that for your peers to workshop. On Wednesday, you'll learn about the revision opportunity that you have this quarter. You'll respond to a peer's full draft, and you'll do that here. And then you'll revise your body paragraph 3 and submit that, and take the permission to use assignments quiz. For Friday, you'll just be working towards your Saturday assignments. Nothing is due Friday night. Saturday night, you'll look at the misleading statistics video and complete the revised researched argument quiz. And that's everything for this week. Remember that this quiz is fairly involved, so after Wednesday night, you should be spending time on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday on this quiz, as it's meant to take you some time, give you some quality time with your paper, really making it the best you can, and really polishing and honing that paper so it's a solid final draft. Notice the research argument isn't due on Saturday night, so you'll complete the quiz by Saturday night, but you're going to end up submitting it next week on Monday.